Hello viewer, we are in Photoshop. So let's generate the further designs here in it and the other shapes. In this Photoshop tutorial you will learn about the tools and the features of Photoshop. So then you can get idea about it. So let's generate the further one. Here we have, again we will use these designs as well. Make a round rectangular shape, blocks on it. Change these blocks here. So let's change the difference.